Hdmann is a premier industrial enterprise at the forefront of the global infrastructure sector, specializing in the integrated research and development, advanced manufacturing, and international distribution of high-performance mechanical and electrical management solutions. Headquartered in the strategic global hub of Singapore and supported by a specialized 20,000 square meters automated production facility in Yangzhong, Jiangsu, we leverage over a decade of technical expertise to deliver mission-critical support systems for the world's most demanding environments. Our comprehensive portfolio, encompassing cable tray systems, cable ladder systems, strut channel support systems, and wire mesh cable trays, is designed for structural resilience and operational efficiency. Every component is engineered to surpass the most stringent international standards, including NEMA, IEC, UL, CEABS, BV, DNV, ensuring seamless compliance and safety across diverse jurisdictions. To meet the specific challenges of varying industrial topographies, we offer a sophisticated range of materials and finishes from hot-dip galvanized and stainless steel to specialized FRP and aluminum, specifically curated for maximum corrosion resistance and load-bearing capacity. Beyond our manufacturing prowess, Hdmann serves as a strategic technical partner. We empower complex projects through precision 3D visualization, BM integrated modeling, and comprehensive engineering support. Our philosophy transcends the traditional supplier-client relationship. We deliver integrated installation solutions tailored for hyperscale data centers, offshore oil and gas platforms, renewable energy plants, and intelligent civil infrastructure. By combining industrial-scale production with bespoke technical consulting, Hdmann provides the structural backbone necessary for the future of global energy and infrastructure development.